Hello and welcome to Artistic Vibes with the host Andrew Hunt. In this video, it will be bad designs, design fails, and creepy locations found on Google Earth and Google Maps. So let's get this started. Just let me bring up the information. Ah, there it is. All right. This, believe it or not, is the Darvaza gas crater, also known as the Gates to Hell. The Gates of Hell in Turkmenistan. I'll put on the coordinates in the description and a link to the page if anyone wonders. Just let me find the history. It's a giant gas crater in the middle of Karakum Desert in Turkmenistan. Sorry if I've got that wrong. The gate looks like a giant hole that emits fire. The origin of the fire is a mystery. Theorists suggest that the crater was set on fire to burn the natural gases, but the fire never stopped. The government of Turkmenistan have never tried to extinguish the fire, but have failed since then. This has become a very popular tourist destination. Really? Well, I guess if you want to see the gates of hell, no, it isn't 2D. Because I get a load of people saying that's where I'll be going. Well, let me just bring up the second one then. This is the Miyoshi Takashima. It is also known as the Nagoro Scarecrow village of Japan. Believe it or not, this is a tourist attraction. You'll find lots of scarecrows spread around, making it look like an everyday life in this village. And there's one up there by the shed or metal shed. One there. There'll be two scarecrows here actually. And there's what appears to be a bus stop, crammed full of them. Really love to go see this place as a man in tall grass. I wonder if they actually have scarecrows in the field. Oh, there's one there. Oh, there's two there. I really got to go and find this place. Except if I go on a holiday, I don't actually like to drive. I drive every day. Whenever I go on holiday, I don't like to drive. I like to be driven. Oh, that's all a garage. Hopefully these are for actual people. Ah, it's history. Nestled in a remote valley in Japan, lies Nagoro, once a bustling community, now a village with an ever-shrinking population. Today, over 300 life-size scarecrows created by local artist named Tukshimi Ayano. I'm sorry if I got that wrong. To Tuksimi. Each scarecrow is carefully Crafted. I was hoping that it was going to take me back to where I started. I mean, that just looks like a man with his child. Resembling past villagers or imagined characters start to look like they are tending gardens, fishing by the river, or even waiting for a bus. They're so realistic that Google Street View even blurs them sometimes, mistaking them for real people. Well, the adults one is blurred, but the child isn't. See if I can find any more then. Looking like the fishing by a river. It's a bridge, but there's no water. So I wouldn't say that's a river. So, I mean, I've already gone past the ones in the bus stop. Can't really see a face in that. That looks like a person pulling a cart with people in it. There's the bus stop. I think I'll go to, yeah, they're not blurred. Don't know why someone's waving to the camera. That one looks like it's got a gun. Let's see what else I can find. And now I've lost the thing altogether. Hold on me. There we go. I got it back again. Let's have a look, see if I can find the images. I looks like the bus stop. Oh my word. Since I'm one of the buildings, I think. Bus stop of a building. That looks like a PE class of a school or something. Basketball shop. I must go there one of these days and I must get a translation for that. Don't read Japanese. Let's go on to the next. Unfortunately, it's creepy designs. Yeah, with this, it's a design fail because it said the post before this said, in case of fire, use steps. That's a wall. Oh my boss. Really? Is it Tommy Glass or something? Oh God. I take it that the S was for the super part, but it actually looks like super shitters. Really? Hopefully, I get more design fails and Google Map creepy locations for you very soon. Hope everyone has a nice day and goodbye.